When it comes to building a romantic connection, it's important to approach relationships with respect, authenticity, and emotional maturity. Making someone fall for you isn't about manipulation or grand gestures alone. It's about creating a genuine bond that deepens over time. Here are 10 ways to win her heart while remaining true to yourself, explained in detail to help you nurture a meaningful relationship. 1. Be confident, but stay humble. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a person can have. It's not about being the loudest in the room, but about having a calm assurance in who you are. Confidence allows you to approach her with ease and composure, making her feel secure in your presence. However, it's equally important to remain humble. Overconfidence or arrogance can be off-putting, so strike a balance by being self-assured yet approachable. Show her that you're someone who believes in yourself, but is also willing to learn and grow. 2. Show genuine interest in her. Taking a genuine interest in her life is essential for building a connection. This means asking questions about her passions, dreams, and experiences, and truly listening to her responses. Avoid dominating the conversation or steering it back to yourself. Instead, create space for her to share her thoughts and feelings. Small details matter. Remember her favorite movie, the hobby she's passionate about, or the way she takes her coffee. These gestures demonstrate that you value her as an individual. 3. Be supportive and encouraging. Everyone appreciates a partner who stands by their side during both good and challenging times. Show her that you're someone she can count on by being her cheerleader. Encourage her ambitions and celebrate her achievements, no matter how big or small. When she faces obstacles, offer a listening ear and practical support rather than trying to fix things for her. Being a consistent source of positivity and strength will deepen the trust and bond between you. 4. Respect her boundaries. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. This includes respecting her personal space, time, and decisions. Don't push her into situations she's uncomfortable with or expect her to conform to your expectations. Instead, let her set the pace of the relationship. Respecting her boundaries shows that you value her autonomy and are willing to prioritize her comfort and well-being over your own desires. 5. Make her laugh. A great sense of humor can be incredibly appealing. Laughter creates moments of joy and eases tension, making your time together more enjoyable. Share funny stories, joke around, or find shared moments of silliness that bring smiles to both your faces. However, be mindful of her sense of humor and avoid jokes that might be hurtful or inappropriate. A shared laugh can create a powerful emotional connection and help her associate you with positive feelings. 6. Be yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not is unsustainable and counterproductive. Authenticity is key when building a relationship. Let her see the real you, your quirks, strengths, and even your vulnerabilities. This doesn't mean oversharing or revealing everything all at once, but rather being honest about who you are. Authenticity fosters trust and allows her to appreciate you for who you truly are, rather than an idealized version you think she wants. 7. Be kind and thoughtful. Kindness is a universally attractive quality. Demonstrate compassion not just toward her, but toward others as well. Your actions, such as helping someone in need, being patient in difficult situations, or showing gratitude, speak volumes about your character. Thoughtful gestures, like remembering important dates or surprising her with something she loves, show that you care and pay attention to the little things that matter. 8. Communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is essential for any relationship to thrive. Express your thoughts and feelings clearly and encourage her to do the same. Avoid playing games or being overly mysterious in an attempt to seem intriguing. Instead, be straightforward about your intentions and where you see the relationship going. Transparency builds trust, while active listening ensures that both of you feel heard and understood. 9. Show ambition and passion. People are naturally drawn to those who have a sense of purpose and drive. Share your goals and passions with her, and show her that you're working towards something meaningful. Whether it's your career, a creative pursuit, or a personal development goal, your enthusiasm and determination will inspire her. At the same time, show interest in her goals and passions, supporting her aspirations as much as you value your own. 10. Take care of yourself. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being is not just beneficial for you, but also for your relationship. Regular exercise, good hygiene, and dressing well can make a strong impression. Beyond appearances, prioritize emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Being in touch with your emotions and working on personal growth shows her that you're someone who values self-improvement and stability. Making her fall for you isn't about manipulation or superficial tactics. It's about building a genuine connection based on trust, respect, and mutual admiration. Relationships require effort, patience, and authenticity. By focusing on these 10 ways, you can create the foundation for a meaningful bond that grows stronger over time. Remember, love is a two-way street. While you strive to win her heart, ensure that your feelings and needs are also being met in a balanced and healthy way.